This here is part of the trail I kind of like. Going underneath this big tree is just falling naturally. It's one thing, nice thing about this park is you don't cut up the trees unless they have to. If this is laying across the trail on the ground, they would cut it up and move it so we could get through. But it's okay for here. Got a nice little downhill here into the valley. Then we get around the corner here, there's a set of steps to go up, go across the creek. And then there's a set of steps to climb. You use a shoe around the side of the steps and up the hill, so I don't have to take my shoes off. That's one of those industrial buildings. Little bridge here with the creek. Usually there's still a little bit of running water along through here, but it's been pretty gall darn cold this last 2 weeks. It was up around there. Right up there's the steps. Right up in there, bunch of steps. Probably go around the edge of this little headland right here and get back up.